Yeah, come on.
What's going on? You're not rocking with your boy Director KayGee, and today we're going on a little adventure. I'm taking you guys to a little spot called the MOXY, aka recreation at the MOXY. Hopefully we're able to get in because there was a dress code issue, so we're not really sure. We're all just dressing casual, and hopefully we can get in, but we're gonna find out today. We got one. Now we got about 5 other heads or so to meet up with.
6.5 hours later.
My posture's off. You're literally stretching, bro. What posture needs to be off?
Wait, the hip. Oh. This feels so good.
I could imagine. If I did that too, my legs would probably feel great.
Don't get old, y'all.
I'm not gonna lie.
Drive safely.
I hit legs day like 3 times this week, so I probably need to do what she's doing, no cap. But we just got off the train and we about to link up with Watson. We just gotta find him now. So we're gonna meet him at the spot. See you in a bit. This guy.
This is gonna be on this.
What?
We're not gonna go.
First of all, I can speak for me and the other lady that's elevator. We're both very uncomfortable. Let's keep it to ourselves, please.
Let's not talk about what you said about the banner tower.
I'm about to take one break from you.
I'm posting all of this.
I saw
one of your
Y'all all caught in 4K. Alright, so Watson got the typical Corona. I got a slam dunk. Izzy got the 8-bit. Kira got passion fruit margarita. Kiana got
Soda.
She vibing. Chill. I'm about to try this drink out real quick. Hold up. I probably could have went with a straw, but whatever.
It's an 8-bit. I give it an 8.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
That's a strong rating.
I like
For
it.
real?
I like the spice. It's spicy.
It's fire like that? I think mine would probably be also 8 out of 10. I didn't make shit yet. I'm making this one right now. I told y'all. Alright, boom. Let's talk about food real quick. I got the pretzel bites. I got some ranch chips. And I got a margarita flatbread pizza. We're gonna try this out. We're gonna see, we're gonna see what the vibes are. Thank you. And we just got 2 more drinks. Firmly grasp it. My man's sweating right now. Oh yeah, that's coming down. That's coming down like the sweat down your pores.
Can't do that!
No, I got you.
It's not gonna work. Kira's coming down towards you. Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
I got it.
Whoa, you cheated!
Whoa. He gonna let go. Still gonna fall. Stupid!
My bad. I'm sorry. My fault. Excuse my ignorance.
This is good. This looks like ketchup, right? But it's salsa and it tastes amazing. Pretzels? I don't like pretzels.
You didn't try it?
I did.
I'll try it. Hold on.
It's not that good.
lit.
Right.
The pretzel's not bad. That's why they give you the sauce.
I dip it in the sauce. Alright, let's try it.
It's not bad.
I want that piece.
This is what you do. You fold it.
Damn it.
Chico, you fold it.
Oh.
And you take a bite.
How is it?
This shit good.
I think it's just the pretzel.
This shit busting.
What's bussin'?
OD. Would you rather kill or steal? You can't say neither.
I'd kill somebody.
I'm smoking somebody, bro. What do you want to steal?
The crown jewels.
That should know bad.
What would you steal?
Money.
In your case, who you kill?
Somebody white.
Yo.
Yeah.
A PC.
He's gonna get us kicked out.
I'm sorry. I apologize for my ignorance. No more.
You don't mean it. We got skee ball here. I'm about to smoke somebody's ski. Does this even keep? Yeah, it does keep score. Okay. She's mad focused right now, bro. 5 tries? I bet. Donut. 10.
Damn it, I suck.
Talk your shit, Sway.
120.
What's your score? 120. What?
Oh, he's cheating. No.
You sure? Oh no! I'm not gonna front. She hit that 50 piece. I was like, now I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if mine was recorded or not because
I'm gonna try it again.
of somebody.
All right, I didn't press no. I don't know what happened.
I don't think mine was
But
recorded.
he got 130.
I got 130 in case mine wasn't. Yeah, 130.
Yo, I'm here. We're about to do a reverse racism thing. So we're gonna go up to white people and see if they're racist.
Final thoughts of the spot. Well, she's really enjoying it. Final thoughts.
It was great. I loved it. It was
What would
cool.
you rate it?
I would rate it a good 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Sarah, what would you rate the spot?
7 out of 10.
She'll rate it 8 out of 10. I'll rate it 7.5 out of 10 because if I give it an 8, I would give it an 8. I actually do give it an 8 because they got a whole half court over there. She said she want to do it over.
Yeah, great for socials, little events, cute dates, group stuff. I rate it 8 out of 10.
I'm going home and going to sleep. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out of here.